All right, so today is January 22nd. This is the third video that I'm making. It's part of a series, one video every day until February 20th, trying to hit 1,000 subscribers to maintain monetization through my channel. So if you're new, click the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, share a video, show some love, show your friends, show your family, your coworkers, anyone that owns a Jeep. Yesterday we talked about like the best options to get Jeep parts, and bouncing around a little bit. And today I said that I was going to talk about how much the Jeep has cost me so far. So I have a list of everything that is installed that is most likely has a video on here. Everything that I've done to the Jeep so far. But the first thing is how much the Jeep costs to start off with. I bought it 2 years ago from a dealership. Taxes, dealer fees, everything was like right at $21,500, I think. That was the starting price. It was $21,500. Had like 72,000 miles, 6-speed, white soft top. It had some basic 33-inch like Pathfinder tires, and I don't know, there were some other tires, or the wheels themselves. I didn't care for them. Nonetheless, so $21,500, we'll start there. All right, yeah, so we'll start off with the 2.5-inch Terraflex lift kit. That was $750. All of the new wheels and tires are 35-inch Gentle Grabber AT2s. Wheels, tires, balanced, and installed, $1,400. The wheel spacers, I'm running Alloy USA 1.5-inch wheel spacers. Those were $130 for all four. I had someone cut the fenders. That was $100. The Rubicon rock sliders, that was $60. Got those on Craigslist, super good deal. So the Rough Country modular front stubby bumper, got that off of Craigslist with some fog lights, got that for $150. The D-ring mounts for the bumper, that was $75. The Smittybilt XR2 9,500 pound winch, that was $200. The Warren Fairlead that I got on there, that was $50. The Sylvania ZXE bulbs that I have in the headlights right now, that was $50. That Nautilus dual horn that I have right now, that was $50. The custom stubby antenna, that was $15. The seat covers, those were $250 for the two fronts and the back. The Pioneer head unit, it was $100. I guess the CB, the unit in Bearcat, that was, I think that was like $65. Both the Moride hinges and the tire carry, both $150. The Terraflex license plate relocation bracket, that was $35. And then the little plug that goes and fills where the original license plate holder was, from Mopar, that was $17. The Smittybilt tailgate storage that I have on the little tailgate, that was $70. The new top, that was $350. The Synergy track bar was $225. The track bar relocation bracket was $135, and the Synergy tie rod was $375. Expensive parts, definitely worth it. The high lift jack is $150. It's not on the Jeep right now. I just installed some like reverse LED lights. I have a video, I'll upload that. Those were $30. The driver's side axle shaft from Spicer, that was $215. And then the grab handles, the Opar ones that are up here on the windshield, those were $30. And then the two that are back here, the cloth ones, those were like $15. So I think that's everything so far. All right, so total parts that are listed was $5,542. That plus the $21,500 that I said was cost for the Jeep brings a grand total to $27,042. That is the last 2 years of the stuff that I put into it. Oh, I forgot the WeatherTech floor mats. Those were 150 bucks. So grand total with those two, $27,192. I mean, that's obviously not the largest sum of money that's ever been dished out for a vehicle, but for me, like, that's a lot of money. This is my project, this is my passion. You know, all the time I spent making videos, and you know, this is my daily driver. It's got to get me to and from work. So yeah, that's the video for today. I wanted to, you know, I guess be transparent. How much does it really cost to own a Jeep? Yeah, once again, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come back, watch tomorrow's video. That one will be a surprise. I don't know what it's gonna be. See y'all tomorrow.